Today I will share with you guys how to create the best Facebook page video. Nice to meet you. I am 3ID Digital Marketing SEN Lifetime Class Founder Sumeto. Facebook page have become an important tool for business, organization and individuals to connect with their audience and share their message. One way to increase engagement and reach on a Facebook page is by creating and sharing video content. In this article, I will give you through the process of making a Facebook page video. Step 1. Define your goals and audience before you start creating your video. It is important to determine what you want to achieve, what it on your target audience is. Do you want to promote a product or service? Or do you want to create brand awareness? Are you targeting a specific age group or location? Knowing your goals and audience will help you create a more effective and relevant video. Step 2. Choose your video type. These are several types of Facebook page video you can create, such as explainer video. This video explains a product or service in detail. Tutorial video. This video teaches your audience how to do something. Behind the same video. This video gives your audience into your business or organization. Explain a feedback. Live video. This video is streamed in real time and can be used for Q&A session, product launch, and event. Choose a video type the best suit your goals and audience. Step 3. Write your secret. Yet, once you define your goals, audience, and video type, it is time to write your secret. Your secret should be engagement and informative. It should highlight the main points you want to in your video. If you are not confident in your writing skill, you can hire a professional script writer or use a script writing tool like Script or Final Draft. Step 4. Plan your visual. The visual in your video are just as important as the script. Plan your visual based on your script and video type. If you're creating an explainer video, you need to create visual that showcase your video or service. And you can create it behind the same video. You need to forget of your business or organization in action. You can hire a professional videographer or use smartphone to your footage. Step 5. Record your audio and visual on your Harvard script and visual planner. It's time to start record. Record your audio using microphone and recording software like Adobe Audition. Make sure speak clear and consistent volume. Record your visual using a camera or smartphone. Make sure your visual and clear and focus. Step 6. Edit your video. After you have recorded your audio and visual, it is time to edit your video. Use a video editing software like Adobe Premiere, iMovie to edit your footage. Add transmission, music, and visual effect to adjust your video. Make sure your video is the right large and format for Facebook. Step 7. Upload your video to Facebook. Once you have finished editing your video, it's time to upload it to Facebook. Go to your Facebook page and click on the create button. Then like video and select the video you want to upload. Add a title, description, and relevant tag to your video. You can also choose a thumbnail for your video. Step 8. Promote your video. Once your video is uploaded to Facebook, it's time to promote it. Share your video on your other social media channel, email, and website. Encourage your audience to like, comment, and share your video. You can also boost your video using Facebook ads to reach a larger audience. Creating a Facebook page video can seem, but once these simple start, you can create videos that engage and connect with your audience. And remember to thank you very much. See you in next video. You can also provide training and service. May you be strong and healthy. God bless you all.